Hello children, let's see how to work with cylinder block. So this is a cylinder block. First, you have to take out all the cylinders. Take them out. Now, what you have to do is mix them up. Mix them up. All mixed up, right? Now, you have to put the correct cylinder in the correct socket. So for this, you have to use your visual sense. Means you have to look, okay? Look, watch and find out. How will you find out? Okay, this much depth is there. So which one will go? Compare. You can try out. This much depth is there. Will this one go? Let's try. No, it is not proper. This one will go? Oh, it has gone inside. No. So then we need to take a longer one. So okay, this is the one. Let's try. Wow, it's fitting properly, right? So now I can try out which one will go. Will this go? No, it has gone inside. How about this one? Oh, it is going very inside. Then probably this one will go. So now again compare which one will go. No, this one is fitting correctly. Now will this go here? No, it has gone inside. Take it out. So this is not the correct one. This is the one. And the last one. So children, every time compare and check and put the correct cylinder in the correct socket. You can work in a different way also with this cylinder block. So again take them out, mix them up. This you can do another day. Now if I ask you, can you find which cylinder will go inside this? How will you do it? Check what is the depth. Okay, you can measure also the depth with your finger and try to understand. You can always try out things like, let me try out, is it the correct one? No, it is not the correct one. Do you think this will be the one? No. Which one? This is? No, it is going inside. Let me try this one. Yes, this is correctly fitting. So now children, if you work with this material many times, then what happens? Anybody ask you, can you find out which one will go inside? You will be able to quickly take this and put it correctly. That means with your visual sense, you are able to analyze the dimension. Dimension is a big word for you. Let me just tell you the height of the cylinder. With your visual sense, you will be able to understand that which height of a cylinder will go exactly fit inside the socket. And inside the socket, this is called the depth of the socket. Depth. What is the depth? So this depth is exactly suitable for this height of cylinder. So it will go correctly fit. So this kind of activity, if you practice, you will get a clear concept of, the depth, the height. These are called dimensions. And if you learn all these things at an early age, later when you will do lots of maths and other activities, you will be able to understand so easily. All right, keep practicing. One more thing. This cylinder block, if you do it every day, what happens? You are going to hold the cylinder with the 3 fingers, right? And these 3 fingers you are using for your writing. So you will get a very good grip of your writing instrument like pencil, pen, crayons. You will get very good grip, and these 3 fingers will have an opportunity to exercise, and when we exercise we get good strength. Okay, so this is also an exercise for your 3 fingers. These 3 fingers are very important: thumb, index and the middle finger. Okay, remember this and keep practicing.
Authentic wooden learning toys.